Let's change the time. The time is important for monitoring, so it actually records the time that the alarm was armed, when it was disarmed, and you don't have a conflict in your panel versus what the monitoring company has. So in order to change the time, we're going to do our master code. In my case, it's 1234. I'm going to do pound 63. Now pound 63 brings you into the time and date settings. If you push star, it will actually start flashing, and then you can type in 3:49, 1 is PM, 19, and then 10:08, which is the date. When you're done, you press star, and that's all there is to setting the time. Please click the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, I can.